Hey, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Martin and this is my daddy Ray, guys.
Hey, what's up guys? And we're back again for another unboxing and quick review. We're going to unbox the new Joker.
Arkham Knight.
No.
Batman. Yeah. Joker.
The new Joker from the Arkham.
From the Batman Arkham Asylum.
Yeah, from the Batman Arkham Asylum.
So it is a video game masterpiece 027.
Yeah, so let's open it so that they can see it.
Yeah.
Right there, guys. Wow. This Joker. You can see the box. Right, it's very purple.
Yeah.
And then and you can see, and also as you can see, it's the same as a video game boxes. Batman Arkham Knight, Batman Arkham Asylum. So this one also is a flip cover. Has a flip cover. Let's say flip cover. And you can see the cast and crew right here.
And of course
on the right.
And of course it's from HOTTOYS 1/6 scale collectible.
Yes, from HOTTOYS 1/6 scale collectible. So let's take it out from the box.
Pull it out. So we have the backdrop.
Yeah, first underneath for the back, you can see the Batman.
Yep. The Arkham Asylum.
Yes, Batman Arkham Asylum. There you go, guys.
So there's this toy with the dynamite, the toy with the teeth toy, like
yes.
And there's also 2 pairs of hands. One hypno.
Yeah. No, it's like a shades. Okay. Shades. Yeah.
Shades.
Yeah.
And some cuffs.
Cups. Yeah. Handcuffs. Yeah. Handcuffs here.
Yeah, and gun and some another kind of gun.
Yeah, something like a toy. It's like a toy gun.
It has some poison in it.
Yes.
Something.
And of course, extra joint.
Yeah.
And the base and the figure.
Wow, he's bloody.
So let's take it out first. The figure. There you go, guys.
It's very light.
The Joker is very skinny. And then this is the base. It's not fit. It's not fit. Yeah, some factory defect, guys. Yes, because it's not really fit. Because the hole is not that really. This is really tight. So it's really tight. Not wide enough. So again, this is the teeth with the dynamite, the teeth toy.
I wonder if he made that by himself.
Yeah, I think so. And then his sunglasses, hypno sunglasses, something like that.
And of course, he had the manual. And I'm gonna
the manual and the handcuff right here, guys.
Be careful on this here.
Which one?
This part.
Might scratch.
And this part is very sharp. And the hair here on the front is quite, it's fragile. And don't take off the flower.
Looks like a poison gun.
It doesn't say here. Not much of the manual.
Yes.
The bang bang gun.
I think that's it. That's the accessories, and of course the hand pair of Joker. Okay, so the handcuffs can
you can open
it. Yeah, both. Is it both?
Yeah, both.
Yeah, get them better. Yeah, extra. This other hand, this other gun, you can put this. Also right. So actually, it's not a pair.
Yeah.
Yeah, so only one pair extra with the fist, and then this one is both right hand. The magnum, it's like, it looks like magnum, and then this one is for that poison thing or bomb. Okay, something like green. It's like kryptonite. It's like he used it for Superman. Superman is not there at the ARKHAM Asylum. So yeah, I think that's it. That's not that much of accessories for Joker. Yeah, okay, so just a very quick review. The articulation, this one is better, of course. He's just wearing
Quite
the
stiff.
suit, so only 90-degree here on the
Yeah,
shoulder.
you can feel the clicks.
And then you can see the elbow. This one is the elbow. Yeah, you can see. Like
180.
yeah, 180, almost 180, right? So you can really bend. So it's like double jointed.
Like he's putting his hand. I put my
Double jointed, and then you can put, maybe you can put here. And then the articulation on the legs. Wow,
180 as
look at
well.
that.
Also 180.
Look at that, how happy he is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill Batman.
Yeah, so there's still plastic on the neck,
Yeah.
on his neck, because to protect the discoloration of his shirt. He's very light, very easy
Yeah.
to give him a pose. So yeah,
Because he doesn't have much accessories.
yeah. And then the material, of course, the fabric material on his clothes, it's very nice. It's rough, it's not smooth. I like it. I mean, more of like really like a suit, you know, a really suit.
A tuxedo.
And then yeah, with the paint, blood paint.
Yeah.
Sometimes it doesn't look like a blood paint. It's like a purple thing.
Dried up. That's what it looks like when it's like dried up.
Yeah. And then some leather material on his clothes, on this upper shoulder at the back here, as you can see. So be careful on that. Better to put some leather
Yeah.
protector, something
Yeah.
like that.
And you can see his belt. He has his face.
Yeah, the belt is nice too. The details, of course, the head sculpt is very nice. Yeah, highly detailed, highly accurate. The likeness from the game. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, it was very nice. Yeah. And you can see it's not really like loose, so it's good to see that. Right? How about you, Martin? What can you say about this figure?
The details on it is very nice. You can see it really looks like a tux. It's like he just got out of prison.
Mm-hmm.
So happy. And then you can see his gun. It's really nice. You can see it. So yeah, it's a thief's toy. The thief's toy is really nice. You can see the dynamite is like gonna run
Very
to
easy
back.
to-
Like gonna run. He just throws it to the guards and then explodes.
Yeah, maybe like that.
Yeah, that's probably how he escaped prison. And then his handcuffs. You can see.
Well, because Martin didn't really play the
Yeah, I don't really know
Batman
much
game.
about it.
So, yeah. But it's just easy to
Yeah.
think about it. So
And the hypno glasses. You see it. Like he hypnotized the guards to like open the door. Probably that's what he did. I don't know. And the poison gun. Maybe it's a poison gun. Like it shoots to the neck.
yeah, maybe. Yes.
Yeah. And the head sculpt really looks like really video game accurate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Although I haven't played it, but I've only seen Daddy play it, so I know what it looks like. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so I think that's it, guys. Just a very quick review. It's a very nice figure, light, and then you can play with it. You can really pose him.
I put it next to Batman.
Yeah, I mean, you can put different poses to this figure. This is, yeah, you can see the tightness. I mean, the tightness or the articulation of this figure is very nice. So yeah, you can see right there. Very nice figure, guys.
Yeah.
Very nice figure. I mean, if you like Joker, if you like the video game,
or like the DC.
yes, yes. So this one is very nice. Yeah, very good addition to your collection. Yeah. So I think that's it, guys. Yeah. What are you gonna say them? What are you going to say to them, Martin?
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and leave a like and comment down below if you want to suggest anything and if you know what this is called.
For watching, guys. Yeah. Peace out. Yeah.